only 4,000 kilometers. Too bad you can't smell it through the screen. The stench is so bad I almost puked. Everything inside is black with deposits, even on the intake valve. I've never seen anything like it. Otherwise, the scooter looks almost new. Nobody's worked on it yet. We'll be the first. It's a beautiful day. Meanwhile, we're taking on the repair of this. I almost said Yamaha jog, but no, it's a Forte JK 80cc. This Chinese mix landed in our shop for repair despite having only 4,000 kilometers on it and already needing a full engine rebuild. Not sure if I can show it all with one hand. Okay, it started up somehow. The problem is, it runs, but the engine is knocking, and on top of that, it smokes like crazy. So, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and of course, donate generously to support the armed forces of Ukraine. And as always, Heredity, time to wrench. We've stripped the engine down a bit. Everything's still in place, untouched. The scooter is basically new, so the process goes pretty fast and easy. I'm not the type who likes to waste time measuring valve clearances right now. For me, it's easier to just pull the engine out, put it on the table, and see everything at once. Just 2 bolts left, and it should come out easily. So, guys, let's get to it. Soon we'll see what comes out of this. Now the engine is on the table. We blew off some dust and it still looks untouched. Nobody's been inside yet. We'll be the first. Let's see what a brand new Chinese engine really hides. First, we'll check the valves, then we'll definitely get to the piston today. Let's go tear it apart. Too bad the smell doesn't transmit through video, but trust me, it's awful. Almost puked. Now let's see the oil. Well, it looks nasty. The oil isn't completely terrible, but it was either changed too late or they poured in junk. Anyway, it reeks like hell. The valves, completely dead. Timing marks are set here and there, but the valves don't move at all. Next, we'll check the tensioner. The timing chain is a bit loose, probably needs replacing. Let's see what the tensioner shows us and move on from there. The head is covered in burnt oil deposits. Everything is black. The piston has sharp carbon edges. That means we'll need to clean everything, change piston rings, reseal with new gaskets and seals, and flush the head. Links for all the parts are in the description. I'll go order them and continue once they arrive. Even when we're crashing down, even if I fall apart, even when the lights go out, you will always have my heart. I've cleaned the cylinder head. The exhaust valve now looks fine, but the intake valve was a nightmare. Clogged with carbon, even stuck a bit. That's what happens when valves aren't adjusted. Now the channels are clean, and we're ready to reassemble. Head is cleaned and valves lapped. Everything looks great. Seals arrived, so we'll reuse some parts and install new ones where needed. You've seen me do this a million times, but here we go again. Head is assembled. Valves tested. No leaks. Everything's good. Timing mark T is aligned. Valves are set at 0.05. We'll see if that works or if we need to adjust later. The engine is mostly assembled. Installed the original carburetor, put it back on the frame. The scooter starts up smoothly and, most importantly, no smoke anymore. Perfect. Just needs proper break-in, and the owner will be happy. And on that note, I'm signing off. As always, subscribe, hit like, and donate to the armed forces of Ukraine. That's all for today. See you soon. Bye-bye.